Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thought we'd make a little video of the 350Z getting welded back together. I didn't want to bore you guys with every little weld, but I don't mind throwing together a little video to show you some of the welding that did take place. If you guys have been following along, you know this thing was basically a piece of Swiss cheese. It had so many spot welds that needed to be welded back together to get this jigsaw puzzle put back together. But I'm pleased to say that it's all done. This car is completely welded together now, and we are ready to go in and start putting in our seam sealers and our primers and get ready to paint the inside of the trunk and the rear floor pan. Then we can move on to painting the outside panels of the car, like the actual body of the car. Alright, so we've got this whole corner welded together now. Got it grounded down pretty good. I think it's ready for the next step, which it'll get a layer of seam seal that comes here that'll seal up between the two panels. And then we'll go in and put a little light glaze coat over that just to make it look nice and presentable. Even though you won't see any of this stuff, it's hidden. All this gets hidden under a big old tail light. But we still want to make it look nice, you know. So hey you guys, that concludes this video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. We'll put a link in the description. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. We really do appreciate you guys watching. So until next time, you guys will catch me on the next one. I appreciate it.